Almost ate that shit. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Hope you're having a great day. I'm back here with the MX650 project and just wanted to go over some small things that I wanted to change out on it. So one thing that's been really bugging me is this really small 10 by 2.5 inch rear tire. I think it's just really small in overall diameter in comparison to the front tire. So I've been really meaning to change that to a larger one. The other thing is obviously a lack of power. Even though mine is modded to go a lot faster than stock, I'm simply just not satisfied with it. I'm looking for a lot more torque and just want a little bit more top speed. But I promised myself that I would not spend any more money or do any more mods to this thing until something actually gives up. So tonight I'm actually gonna take it out for a night ride to test out the new headlight we installed. And I'm gonna find a nice open space to do a burnout for 5 minutes straight, no break. And I think either one out of two things is gonna happen. Either the rear tire is gonna blow out because there's not that much rubber on it, or the motor is gonna get really hot and just give up. So tonight I'm gonna let the bike decide what I'm upgrading next. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the new view today. I'm trying this helmet mount out. Got a helmet on today since somebody called me out on one of my last videos. You know who you are. This looks like a decent place to do a burnout. No, security guard. Woo! It's a nice chill day out. This looks like a nice spot to do a burnout. That is a ton of rubber, but it's not fully burnt out yet. There's still a little bit of tread left. That's a lot of stuff on the motor though. Dang, can't believe this thing still got juice. Whew, almost ate that shit. What's up, dude? So nothing broke yet after a 5-minute straight burnout. The motor did get a little hot, but the tire did not wear fully through yet. So I guess it's not time to replace it just yet. But I did order a 9-tooth sprocket because I want to try to do some wheelies later on this week and see how much more low-end torque I get, since it definitely needs a lot more low-end torque to be able to pop the front on low speeds. So if you are interested in seeing that, stay tuned. If you found today's video to be helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with my MX650 build or any of my other projects, consider subscribing to my channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.